to get past Prepelic, and now he throws it off the backboard, and Dragic explodes to the other end.
Nice
behind
pass.
the back pass, Doncic, and looky here, folks, an 11-0 run.
There it is. Just knows that Doncic is back there, and what's great is these two have developed a really, really strong chemistry. You know, Dragic
Cut off his progress. Now Prepelic for three.
Nice
Gets
pass.
it to Vidmore! With authority!
in the face.
Look at him! He is a man possessed.
Havoc just hasn't dropped off. You see it here.
Yeah, there's no shortage of intensity on that.
Nice pass by Prepelic. And Vidmore, the monster dunk.
Thing has stood tall. Shot clock winding down. Doncic puts up a long one.
Oh!
And
Wow!
he looks up at the crowd with a huge smile.
That shot by Doncic. Just a prayer that's been answered. See it here again, just launches it up.
There's going to be a standing ovation after this game. Point, the high level of play. Doncic pulls back again, puts up a three. Good! Again with Porzingis. Don't tell me this man's not going number one.